very warm and pleasant morning to our Honorable Director Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, esteemed educators, and my fellow schoolmates. Today, Class 3 is going to present their morning assembly, and the topic of the assembly is electric bulb. Prayer is the exercise of drawing on the grace of God. Let's get inspiration from this wonderful God and pray together to start our day. I would like to invite Bharvi for the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhavin. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom comes. Your will be done. On earth as in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins. Very forgive those who sins against us. Save us from the time of trial and deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power and the glory are yours. Now and forever. Amen.
Now, I would like to invite Ranveer for the test. Take the solution for test.
And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of and rich in my heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all here. And treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people and with my devotion. In there will be and prosperity and all like my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now, I would like to invite Samar for the motivational thought.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Samar Khan. I read class 3. I am the head word of the day. Like all great inventions, the light bulb can be credited to one inventor. It was a small improvement on the ideas of previous invention. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite Abhiraj for the news.
My name is Siddharth. God class of for a news. Russia saying that completed Ukraine pressure Iran Mani Ralu issue after 700 magnitude crash in island.
Louder.
A 20-year-old from the UK served 6,931 tubes in 24-hour correction, a world record. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite Divyaraj to speak on the topic.
Good morning. My name is Divyaraj and I am from class C and I am here for speech. Thomas Edison light bulb has been one of the biggest impacts of school even to this day. Thomas wanted to replace the gas light with a mid-safe